Hello everyone. Emily here. And you are watching The Draego Show. Hey, what's up everybody? How you all doing? So, I asked Draego that I wanna be in a video. He said alright, but it's been so long that I have been in a video. I am super excited to talk to you guys. So in this video I am going to show you guys how to play mobile games on PC. But before starting the video, let me tell you that, if you enjoy the video, then give a like, and join Team Draego by subscribing to The Draego Show, and also hit the bell icon near the subscribe button for quick notifications. So there is a software called BlueStacks App Player. With the help of that software, we can play mobile game in PC. It is a sort of emulator. An Android phone emulator. It is made to run Android applications on PC. And it is totally free to use. All download links will be in the description of this video. So, now then, let's get started. So this is BlueStacks. When you open BlueStacks, you will get this layout. Click on Google Play, and sign in with your Gmail account. So, today on this I am going to play Subway Surfer, so let's download it. After the download, go back to home screen, and the Subway Surfer icon will appear. Just click that, and enjoy your game. Here is a little gameplay of Subway Surfer. Enjoy. So, I hope that you enjoyed this video, or this video helped you. If you guys wanna see more videos of Draego, then check out his other YouTube channel, which is Draego. He really uploads awesome videos there. The channel link will be in the description. Make sure that you guys comment. I really love to read your guys' comments. Thanks for watching. And, bye-bye.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun.